Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are talking about Bitcoin Core, which is the OG of the Bitcoin wallets. So if you are into crypto and if you care about security and decentralization, this wallet deserves your attention in 2025. So let's just dive into its features, pros and cons, and whether it is the right choice for you in this year or not. So first we need to understand what is Bitcoin Core. Well, it is more than just a wallet. It's a full node. That means it validates every transaction and block on the Bitcoin network, ensuring everything is legit. Think of it as being the backbone of Bitcoin. But here is the thing that Bitcoin Core is a heavyweight. It requires over 350 GB of storage, and syncing it for the first time can take hours, if not days. So, patience is the key here while using this wallet. Now, let's talk about the privacy. So, with Bitcoin Core, you don't rely on third parties to verify your transactions, your data stay with you. And that's a huge win for anyone serious about privacy. It also supports the batch 32 address, those BC1 ones, which means that cheaper and more efficient transactions. So, who doesn't love saving on fees? Now, here is the deal. The Bitcoin Core is perfect for the advanced users who want full control and to support the Bitcoin network. But for beginners or those with limited storage, it might feel like a steep climb. So, should you use Bitcoin Core wallet in 2025? So, in my opinion, if you are all about decentralization, privacy, and if you don't mind the storage requirements, this wallet is a no barrier. But if you are new to crypto or if you are looking for something lightweight, you might want to explore other options. And for other options, I have created a series of videos where you can just take a look at your favorite wallet and you can just take a look at the review video and you can check whether that wallet is for you or not. So if this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.